In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add page numbers in Google Docs, step by step. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple tech guides. First, open the Google Doc where you want to add page numbers. Then, head to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, hover over Page Numbers. You'll see four layout options. The first two are the most common. They add numbers to the top or bottom corners of each page. Now, if you don't want the page number to appear on the first page, like when you have a title or cover page, choose the option that says page number starting on second page. It's a cleaner look and often more professional. Once selected, the page numbers will appear automatically in your document. You can click on them to reposition, format, or even remove them if needed. And that's it. You've added page numbers in Google Docs in under a minute. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more